Next section, population distribution in India. Population growth in India. India, second most populated country, next to China. Population in India, according to 1981 census, 683.3 million. 1991, 843.9 million. 2001 census, 127 million. Only 2.4% of world land area and supporting about 16.87% of world population. Look at this map. Percentage of growth of population. 1991, 2001. In white in color, below 18.00%. Yellow, 19.01 to 21. So this is a data. South India having less population growth and North India over population growth. Due to various reasons, main factor is that education. Ranking of most populous states according to 2001 census. First, Uttar Pradesh, 166.05 million. Second, Maharashtra, 96.75 million. Third, Bihar, 82.67 million. 4, West Bengal, 80.22 million. 5, Andhra Pradesh, 75.72 million. 6, Tamil Nadu, 62.11 million. Current population in India 2011, 1.21 billion population. Total male population in India, 623.7 million. Total female population, 586.5 million. Sex ratio, 914 female per 1000 males. Age structure, 0 to 25 years, 50% of India's current population. Current population, there are about 51 births in India in a minute. India represents almost 17.31% of population. The population growth rate at 1.58%. About 72.2% of population lives in some 638,000 villages. The rest 27.8% about 5,480 towns and urban. Fertility rate is 2.72 children born per woman. In state of Kerala, with 1058 females per 1000 males, is the state with highest female sex ratio. Prospects for population growth in India. India is an overpopulated country. Mainly depends on the reproductive behaviors of the people. Family planning program started in 1952 in India. By end of this century, India will be the most populous country in the world. Reason is that large base population, the family planning programs aim to safe motherhood and safe childhood. Thank you. Have a good day.